When panic hits, what's the first thing everyone tells you to do? Breathe deeply. But here's the problem. When you're panicking, your chest feels tight. Telling someone to breathe deeply would make them hyperventilate. I've seen this plenty of times in my therapy sessions. Telling someone to breathe deeply only makes them more anxious. It's a feedback loop. So here's the hack. Try force yawning. That's right, a pretend yawn. The full motor action. Stretching of your facial muscles. Air going through and really sinking into your lungs. This will activate the parasympathetic nervous system. It cools your entire body. So the next time you're panicking, try a fake yawn. Let me know how it goes. Enjoy the animated video. See you soon.
Panic breathing makes panic worse. Shallow chest breaths keep you stuck. Hurry up! Fake a yawn. The motor action alone triggers parasympathetic response. Yawning is contagious. Even to your own brain, it signals safety. Yawns cool the brain. Lower temperature equals lower anxiety. Yawns are social. They tell everyone around you, including you, that it's safe. Next time panic hits, fake a yawn. Your brain won't know the difference.